Hi. So welcome to New York Gold Tours, NYC 3D. That's the East River. That's north to Upper Manhattan. And that's south to Lower Manhattan and the harbor. And that's the Williamsburg Bridge you can see over to the right of the tree. And that's Houston Street, the beginning of Houston Street. And this is the Lower East Side. So this is East River Park. And it serves as a park to a lot of the residents in the community. And it goes all the way up through Gramercy. And then it continues on, actually. There's a bike path that continues on. They redid all the waterfronts, so they're beautiful with parks like this. This is the ball fields. Then there's grass down that way. And there's a new track field up ahead. But all of this is going to be closed down, they say, for 3 years, so that they can raise the ground 10 feet and make it a flood barrier. And then they say they're going to put the parks back. A lot of people feel that they won't put the parks back and that they might develop the way that they've developed across the river, those buildings across the river. They think that's going to happen over here. And we all know what's been happening all around the city. So a lot of activists are concerned and trying to stop this from going ahead. But the water does get very high. And I remember years ago they talked about, with the rising sea levels, about Manhattan being in danger of that in about 15 years. And that was about close to 20 years ago. So I think it might be essential that they do raise it. But like I said, it's scaring a lot of people. So anyway, this is our first micro tour. And we'll continue with some history in a next virtual tour. And some feedback, follow-up, to see what it turns out to be. So make sure you subscribe here and follow and see what the progress becomes. Take care.